What's up, guys? Michael again, and guess what? We're back again with another Twitch Nightbot tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do giveaways on Nightbot. So go to the Nightbot dashboard. You're going to click over here on giveaways. Pretty simple. beta.nightbot.tv is where I go to access my Nightbot dashboard. So we got a few different options here. Now, first of all, you see eligibility. So that's who you're going to allow to be eligible to win your giveaway. So if they got a blue square around the box, that means they're eligible. If you unclick that, then they're not eligible. So nobody would be eligible. Now mods and regulars, regulars and subscribers, and then add users to that. Alright, cool. Pretty simple, right? So this right here, these bars here that you can move, increase the chances of, for example, subscribers would have a higher chance to win if you gave them extra luck. Right there, a subscriber's 8 times more likely to win the giveaway. This regulars are 7 times, so on and so forth. You can adjust that however you like. And then users active within the past 5 minutes are eligible to win. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. However you would like to do that. You can customize this the way that you want. So we can do the active user way, which if we click roll it, actually I got a dummy account just to show you. Blah, blah, blah. We'll do that. Now we'll hit roll it. GamingGuap.com has won the giveaway because he was the only one active, right? So if you had a live stream, then lots of people would have been active. So we'll do this another way. Try to get back to giveaways, a refreshed version of it. So there's a keyword giveaway. All this is the same. Only difference is this way it's a keyword. So we can enter the keyword to be Slay 3D. That's going to be the keyword, right? So we'll make sure that someone in the chat has said Slay 3D. Boom. Roll it. Hey, look, GamingGuap.com won the giveaway. Alright, and the third and final way that you can do a giveaway is the random number giveaway. So what you do here is you hit roll it. Hold on, let me type a number in. Alright, so we hit roll it. It says waiting on a winner. So okay, right here it shows that the winning number is 92. So we'll enter 92 on our dummy account. Boom! GamingGuap.com won the giveaway. So now you can message them right from your Nightbot dashboard. Giveaway. Hey man, you won the giveaway. Sweet. Send it. And that's that. And that's pretty much how the giveaway works, guys. You can get in contact them right there and send them, if it's something digital, give them the code. If it's something physical, get their address, ship it to them, so on and so forth. That's how the giveaway feature works, guys, on Nightbot and Twitch. If this video helped you out, leave me a like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out our stream, twitch.tv/slay3d. See you guys there.